Who are the guys you call for your cooling and heating maintenance inspection?
We're Ryan, and we're the guys you call.
The Ryan Customer Advantage Plan is 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. for only $77. That's right, 7 to 7 for $77. Call us now and ask about our spring AC specials with a free duct cleaning and up to $1,500 in tax credit with purchase of a qualified replacement system installation. Book your appointment today. Ryan for plumbing, heating, and fire protection.
We're the guys you call at 232-5555.